Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kronos Timekeeper employee system, time tracking step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. On the Kronos login page, locate the username and password fields. Enter your assigned username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly. If you encounter any issues, check for case sensitivity or any typos. Once your information is accurately entered, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to access the system. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the main dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, repeat the login steps using your new password. Once logged in, you can access your time tracking features. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard for easier navigation. If needed, refer to any available user guides for additional support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.